Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. Great news today. The Bitcoin MYK backed dollars have now been added to Zapit wallets. And so we had been wanting to do that since Bitcoin MYK backed dollars came out. Bitcoin MYK backed dollars doing pretty darn good. The BBD token is up about 11% since its start. And that, of course, is correlational to the growth of the network. So basically what that means, since we launched Bitcoin and YK backed dollars, the network grew around 11%. And there's this relational printing of the Bitcoin and YK backed dollar. And what it does, it pushes up the buying power and inflation rate based on the new accounts that are accrued. And thus it caused the value of a Bitcoin and YK backed dollar to now be redeemable for a $1.11 worth of Bitcoin Bitcoin MYK tokens, right? So if you kind of think of the situation that we once had, like with the US dollar when it used to be backed by gold, there was a time you could redeem those dollars for gold. And this is kind of how the Bitcoin and YK backed dollar works. Now it has its own market, and because of that ability to redeem for Bitcoin MYK tokens, it then market value wise stays around that range of about $1.11 at this point in time. And that's, of course, changing with the growth of the network in relational to how many of the coins are printed. Now, adding Bitcoin and YK backed dollars to Zapit wallets is just awesome, because that means that you're now going to be able to use your Bitcoin and YK backed dollars on the go. If you're a merchant or vendor, you can basically do transactions with your mobile device, your smart device. And what we're going to be doing in the future is we want to do some workshops with businesses that want to carry Bitcoin and YK backed dollars. We would be willing to come in and try to get you set up, give you some bonus cryptocurrency to get you started for free if you have a business or a service or something like that. Also, of course, you're going to be able to send it as global payments around the world and not have to worry about the value of your Bitcoin MYK backed dollars, not being in having to deal with a lot of volatility and stuff like that, because you can just either redeem them for the Bitcoin MYK tokens, or the market value is going to pretty much keep the volatility at a minimum. We generally aren't moving any more about 1% a day or something like that. It's very rare that we will move more than that. So let's take a look now. Zapit wallets, if you hear me do my videos, I'm very excited about Zapit wallets because the Bitcoin Cash chain has really upped their game. These guys have done a fantastic job. They now have wallet addresses with user IDs, right? Not these long keys anymore. The wallets now are more like what you might get with like a Cash App wallet or PayPal or something like that. Something that's going to be very much in line with what people are accustomed to using, especially people who are adopting over the cryptocurrency. So let's look at, just a ton of options that you can do with Zapit wallets. When I go over here to wallet, let me so I can get over here to wallet. Oh, there we go. You can go under tools here, and then you can see it has the address converter. That's when you can switch over to user IDs. It has the cash accounts, and that's pretty cool. You can just kind of create these, these short form user IDs like your name. You don't have to worry about, those long keys, those very inconvenient keys. Achievements, that's going to be coming soon. Looks like they're going to have these tasks you can complete to earn, coins and such. And like I said, they're doing a fantastic job, Bitcoin Cash, and now that they're building applications on top of Bitcoin Cash, I mean, don't sleep on Bitcoin Cash. These guys are very much underrated. They have over on memo.cash this application like Twitter that integrates tokenization into it. It links to the Zapit wallet. I'm hearing that they're going to have the SLP DEX coming out, the simple ledger protocol DEX, and that's going to be their exchange version. Now they kind of have this auction market type set up on Memo that is workable as an exchange, but I'll definitely be looking forward to seeing what they do with more of a traditional exchange, and I've been hearing some good things about that as well. When we go over here to tokens, we go over here to verified tokens, and you see Bitcoin MYK, excuse me, is a verified token, and you have to do a few steps to get verified. They have to make sure you're a legitimate project. They have to make sure that there's a team behind it, that it's not some type of sketchy project. And once they verify that, you become verified. You can use with confidence. Now, because Bitcoin MYK backed dollars was added today, that process hasn't been done yet, but we will be contacting them and seeing that a Bitcoin MYK backed dollar and a Bitcoin MYK coin pretty much cut from the same cloth, same thing. That should be no problem using. But as you can see here, Bitcoin MYK backed dollars are showing up here. You may have to go over to the unverified section, but I would give it a day or so. It will show up on the verified section as soon as they can, basically verify everything. And about the token, Bitcoin MYK backed dollars, right? And that's just showing information that is rooted in the Bitcoin Cash blockchain, and that you can pretty much send it across all the Bitcoin Cash applications. This wallet I'm very impressed with. As I've been saying, guys, I was hearing them talking about when they're going to be building some great wallets, and they have come through with that. Now, this is cool. This is what we actually use to distribute our universal basic income. It's where you can send customizable token rewards in the form of dividends or airdrops to token holders, either in Bitcoin Cash or SLP tokens, right? So we're able to do that. I like Bitcoin Cash. You could build on it, and it's on a very sturdy network, right? It's a top 10 cryptocurrency. That'll be very difficult to hack it. So you're pretty safe on Bitcoin Cash, right? So this is just so great, guys, because now on the other chains that the Bitcoin MYK backed dollar is on, you can just send through our gateway. You'll be able to send Bitcoin MYK backed dollars. We'll be adding it to the gateway from any chain to your wallet here, right? And then that way, if you have any problems with the chains you're on, you can store them safely on the wallet app, and your funds are safe, right? Your funds are safe. Now, another thing that's really cool about the Zapit wallets is they have a referral program, right? And with a project like ours that, we're looking to probably gonna hopefully have a lot of wallets. And what seems to be happening here is there's right now over like 400 Zapit wallets in the Bitcoin MYK network. Some people can't get wallets because it's only available on an Android device right now. So they're going to be having iOS soon and some others. Another problem is people who are getting wallets, they're forgetting to go on their profile and put Bitcoin MYK as the referral code. You do that, we get rewarded. So far, only 19 people have done that. And we have over 7,200 accounts in our network. So that just goes to show people are either not aware of. Also, keep in mind, Zapit wallets is kind of new. It's not very, very, we haven't been using it that long. But the people who are aware of this or watching this video, if you haven't done that already, do go ahead and add Bitcoin MYK under your profile area. That way we get credit. Let us know you did it. We'll send you some bonus Bitcoin MYK coins for doing it. So you'll get a bonus for that. You'll get 100 Bitcoin MYK coins for doing that. Just make sure that you have done that. And you can see we get reward and all these other coins that are in their network. And that's a good thing, right? So because we expect to have a lot of wallets, so I think we're gonna have a good relationship with Bitcoin MYK. Now, what does this talk about? Top up wallets. It's how you can add Bitcoin Cash from like your credit cards, and this is pretty cool. This is what I want to show you all. I want to show you all, if I can find it here, where it shows the. Let me see if that's it. And that's doing a international transfer, but for your cash account. But I want to show you, and it might be on the wallet, the different means you can use in order to, might be under settings here. Is it under settings? But there is somewhere here, there's a way that you can do pay. Okay, here it is, payment details, right? Okay, if you go here, choose your preferred payment methods, you can add funds to your account, your wallet, either through Alipay, Amazon Pay, BIM, bank transfers, Cash App, cash deposit, Easy Pays, Pays Up, Google Pay, Interact, M-Pays, and I don't even know what some of these are. Pay ID, PayPal, we know what that is, Paytm. And so look at all these variety of ways that you can add funds to your wallet and get cryptocurrency, right? That is just so awesome, how you can go about doing that. And so that's why I'm so excited about this wallet. It's so cool, right? Imagine on the go, you got your Bitcoin MYK coins, you got your Bitcoin MYK backed dollars. As we start to do our workshops, which is what we want our teams want to start working on next, getting people who are interested in taking Bitcoin MYK backed dollars, because if you take them as our network grows, especially if you're a small business, that might give you more customers, right? So we want to really get out there and start talking to people about that and see if they're interested in doing that. And if anybody is selling anything, any products, and they want to take Bitcoin MYK backed dollars and want to use it as a means to get more customers, then we would basically be willing to work with that business, do workshops with them, give them bonus cryptocurrency as a welcoming gift to get them started, right? But very excited about that. Very excited about what we're going to see with Bitcoin MYK backed dollars. They're a very interesting product. They're up 11%. They remind you of a stable coin. They're not backed by US dollars. They're backed by Bitcoin MYK tokens in their markets, but you can always redeem for the exact dollar value of your Bitcoin MYK backed dollars. And in addition to that, the liquidity of Bitcoin MYK backed dollars are pretty high, and they are pretty stable for right now. So it's something definitely great you want to look into. But that's all I want to say in this video. If you like content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, take care.